Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Focus.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Thursday, August the 15th, 2019. The time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of the BAC, Bank of America. This is a 30 minutes chart right here, and we can see how the chart first of all has the right side down with the red stem and also bearish sequence stem. So what that means again is that we favor the downside and we do not like buying the dip, buying these dips, right? Since we think there is further downside based on this right side stem and the sequence stem, and then we do favor the downside more in the Bank of America. So we can see right here the rally to the $28.51 is labeled as a wave B, so that means we are now within the wave C, okay, in the red degree, which is the minor degree. And then you can see in the subdivision in the wave C, of course, is going to be a 5 waves, because ABC is a zigzag in which the C leg subdivides in a 5 waves. Now we can see right here that this wave 1 here in the black is going to be ending the first wave 1 of C, right? So this is going to be wave 1 of C, after which we will have a 3-ways bounce in the form of a zigzag here in the wave 2, and then after that, as far as the bounce fails below $28.51, we can see another leg lower in the wave 3 of C. Alright, and you can see in the wave 1 it currently subdivides into another 5 waves in a lower degree, right? This is the minute degree in the blue here. So here we also see this wave 3 looks to be extended, right? Extended and impulsive. If you measure the extension, we do get more than the 161.8% extension. Typically that is the characteristic of a wave 3. Alright, so now we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then now we should be looking at for the downside. So we end the wave 3 in the blue here, so another leg lower, marginal low is a possibility, after which then we can end the 5 ways down and then do a wave 2 bounce to correct this 5 ways down. Then after that we should be extending lower again. Alright, so if we take a look at the larger degree, looking at the 4-hour chart here, we can see since we top out in the August the 1st, the decline has been definitely it looks impulsive here, and then again we got this ABC right here ending the B. So if I place it in the 4-hour, that's your C, that's your B right here, and we got what looks like some sort of a flat here. Alright, some sort of a flat ABC, expanded flat. So this has to be your A here, and it does look impulsive. So you got a first leg impulsive, you got a flat, then it has since resumed lower again, breaking below the B. So this is your C leg right now, and we are in the process of ending with 1 of C. Alright, we are in the process of ending with 1 of C, and then any bounce can continue to fail for further downside in the BAC right here. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. And we also got a 14 days free trial for you guys. If you guys are new to our service, you can check out our service with the 14 days free trial. Okay, so see you guys again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.